Hey guys, I'm Mike Cafro, and today we're going to be showing you the new VisionX LED light kit for your Toyota Tacoma. This lighting kit utilizes one 32-inch XPL light bar and two 4.7-inch CG2 light cannons. The XPL light bar is VisionX's ultra slim long distance light bar series, blasting out close to 13,000 lumens at 1,800 feet. The two CG2 light cannons push 10,500 lumens each at over 900 feet. The CG2 light cannons come with a new selective yellow lens to cut through the dust, giving you better clarity. With these new lenses, you won't lose the massive amount of lumens that a snap-on cover causes. The CG2s are available in multi-LED for maximum output or single LED for maximum distance. The ultra slim XPL LED light bar utilizes iris technology to maximize distance, giving you a spot beam that reaches over 1,800 feet. This light bar mounts easily behind your Tacoma grille and gives you a clean factory-like appearance, and it makes it hard to steal. This bolt-on kit comes with wiring harnesses, brackets, and mounts easily to your factory location. VisionX lights are race-proven off-road lights forged in the fire of off-road racing competition to ensure unparalleled durability and reliability. Whether you're racing or just want the best off-road lights for your street vehicle, all these same VisionX lights can also be used on your truck, Jeep, or SUV, giving you the ultimate quality and performance in off-road lighting. Be sure to check out our install videos on this kit to see how easy it is to do it yourself. Visit VisionXoffroad.com or ask for VisionX lights at your local off-road shop.